Rodon Group's been in business since 1956. We've been a plastics injection molder. We're a third-generation family business, and we make billions and billions of parts every year for a variety of industries. We've been in medical molding in a limited way since about 2008, and it's really ramped up since the pandemic. We've opened up a division to focus specifically on medical manufacturing.
We recently built a state-of-the-art clean room. It can be a Class 8 clean room. It can also be run as white space.
For Sterling Healthcare, some of the great fit for our new clean room would be anything pharmaceutical, medical, food and beverage would be a big one, and any other industries that need a secondary operation where they need the components cleaned, such as maybe they're putting on a reflective coating on a lens.
We're excited. We can make billions of parts in there now. We've already got our first 3 projects in there. The precision required in almost every medical application is above almost any other industry. So you're talking about diameters of a human hair that you're trying to measure, and injection molding allows you to do that. It also allows you to have a variety of materials to choose from. So maybe you need something that's a little bit softer and moves, or something that's very rigid, or something that has glass in it or doesn't have glass in it. So all of those things, and of course, sanitization. And injection molded plastics, we pick the right kind of medical grade plastics, allows that to be sanitized very easily as well, and stay cleaner longer. So those are all of the advantages that injection molding provides for the medical field.
Here at Rodon, we do everything internally, from tooling design, tooling construction, molding, secondary operations, bagging, sonic welding, and we also do assembly.
That is what is a big advantage of using Rodon over multiple sources, is that you come to one roof, it all happens here, and because of that, we lifetime guarantee the parts. So we think that the world has changed from just in time to just in case. And so what we mean by that is that there's all kinds of supply chain disruptions, supply chain spikes, and sometimes demand spikes and demand drops. So how do you deal with that? We've decided to invest in inventory.
We just don't let people down. If we got to bring somebody in at 3 o'clock in the morning in order to get something out the door the next day, because for whatever reason, your inventory wasn't correct, or you need more parts than you originally thought you needed, we'll do everything we can to help you out.
So if you need it inspected every cycle, we can do it. If you need it inspected once a shift, we can do it. If you need it hand inspected, we can do it. And we've doubled the size of our QC lab over the last year and a half now, because we have more business that requires it, and because we want to be ready for the future as we see the regulatory requirements increasing.
The quality's there, the output's there, and the customer gets what they're looking for.
Continual improvement is part of our core philosophy.
Our goal always is to be the strongest link in your supply chain.